All right, English 10 students, we are going to be finishing up Romeo and Juliet in this 2-week unit. Now, per usual, please watch the introduction video, go through the distance learning daily checklist, as well as the instructions for weeks 8 through 9. All you have to do with Act 5 is read the act, answer the guided reading questions, and watch the summary videos if needed to help with comprehension. Once you are finished with that, we're going straight into a Quizlet review and taking the Romeo and Juliet final as opposed to taking a quiz for Act 5. Alright, please pay special attention to the instructions here. I tell you down at the bottom, right here, that the Romeo and Juliet final exam is going to cover the following items. There's going to be multiple choice on comprehension questions from all 5 acts, so make sure you're doing the guided reading questions. There's going to be matching characters to their appropriate definition. There's going to be identifying important quotes from the text and why they're important, as well as ordering the events of the play in chronological order. Alright, that is all we are doing for this final wrap-up unit. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will be certainly glad to help. Remember that I am on Google Meet Tuesdays and Thursdays, Tuesday morning specifically from 9 to 10, and Thursday afternoons from 1 to 2. Alright, let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you next year in the fall, hopefully.